Antonio Sanchez, the former mayor of Calauan, Laguna, might be free after only 25 years in jail. He was convicted in 1995 for the horrific gang rape of UPLB student Eileen Sarmenta and the double murder of Sarmenta and Alan Gomez in 1993. He also ordered the assassination of Calauan political figure Nelson Peñalosa and his son Rickson in 1991. For all these crimes, he was sentenced to a total of 9 terms of reclusión perpetua. The sentences coincide with each other. A 2013 law and a Supreme Court ruling may have reduced his sentence. How did this happen? One term of reclusión perpetua is 40 years, but Sanchez is not made to serve 360 years or 40 times 9. Article 70 of the Revised Penal Code has a threefold rule. If a person is sentenced to 2 or more penalties, those shall be served successively but not more than 3 times the length of the most severe penalty. For example, if you are sentenced to 7 counts of 11 years, you will serve that successively. 11 times 3 is 33 years, so even though you have to serve 7 terms, you are only made to serve 33 years. Article 70 has another rule. Maximum period shall in no case exceed 40 years. So for reclusión perpetua inmates like Sanchez, the sentence always ends after 40 years. Now we go to the Good Conduct Time Allowance Law. Passed in 2013 by the Aquino administration, the law says that, number 1, in the first 2 years of your imprisonment, for each month of good behavior, 20 days will be deducted from your total sentence. So if you behaved every month, that is 480 days or roughly 1 year and 3 months. Number 2, from the 3rd to 5th year, for each month of good behavior, 23 days will be deducted from your total sentence. Again, if you behaved every month, that is 828 days or roughly 2 years and 3 months. Number 3, from the 6th year to the 10th year, that's 25 days for each month of good behavior. That's 1,800 days or roughly 4 years and 1 month. Number 4, and during the 11th and the successive years, 1 month of good behavior is equal to a 30-day deduction. So for example, if Sanchez has to serve 40 years, if he behaved every month, his 11th to 25th year can earn him 14 years and 7 months of reduction in sentence. Number 5, in addition, an inmate shall get 15 days additional reduction for each month of study, teaching, or mentoring service. All of these are subject to the review of the Bureau of Corrections or BuCor. The law passed by the Aquino administration in 2013 is prospective. This means only those who were sentenced after the law was passed in 2013 shall benefit. Believed inmates appealed with the help of noted human rights lawyers who argued for equal protection. In July this year, the Supreme Court declared that the law shall be retroactive. It will apply to everyone, even inmates jailed before 2013, including Sanchez. The vote of the Supreme Court was unanimous, so this all means that under an existing law, in the Supreme Court ruling, a man who raped 1 and killed 4 may be free in the next several years.